The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall.
They're supposed to do their job. Where's your name again? Somebody have light on their phone? Me have light. Hurry up, turn on the light, quick. So these two guys, Keanu Morgan, they're twins. And what next one name? What's your name again? Morgan. Keanu. Alright, so some soldiers came into my yard. Turn on the light around this so. And these two guys were in the yard. Anyways, we have one fence around our back. When we done, me carrying around there. Them brought down the fence, go around there, then find one bag. I'm not sure what is in the bag. Then say gun in the bag. So them brought down the fence and go around at the back, take up the bag, and then them carry down them two youths here now. And these two youths, they don't find them with no gun, they don't find them with nothing. A party was keeping and then just come from the party and when them say they go pee and whatever. I've been doing them a long time. And so I don't know what is in the bag, because them say them not show me what is in the bag. So I don't, him say gun in there. I ask him where I carry youth them go. Them say, them I carry youth them go in yard. One of them says, I don't know them, I can't see them face good because they mask up. You understand, them mask up, so I can't see them faces good. So anyways, as we say, them broke down one fence there at the back of me yard, them broke it down, and then go over there, pick up a bag, and ask the youth them if them know the bag or whatever, and the youth them said no, and so forth, and I don't know them, me can't see no number, or nothing, or whatever it is. But anyways, what this off in the bobby, yeah, go for
Oh God, officer, then just come in our yard for you. I party there Wednesday.
I know we're alone in our yard, but somebody must.
I know them, I must see two, it must the person them will jump the fence, because other people jump the fence, I know them officer. A true officer, no lie.
God know you. Can't believe that's a man's fault. I know how long I'm there.
So, yeah, you know just share the live for me, please, because me don't want if nothing go do them. Nothing do these two guys. You know, please share the live if nothing do them. They never find them with no gun or nothing. Alright? So, you know just share the live for me, please, and thanks. They don't find them with no gun or nothing. They broke down one fence. Go over the fence and take up a bag. I asked them to tell me show me what's in the bag. And he said, anyone when come catch them with gun, either shoot, one of them said, shoot them and shoot me too. So I asked him if I threatening them. I don't know which one them can mask up. I don't know them and I don't care. So, wanna share the live for me, please. And thanks. I don't know them, me can't see them back because I can't see without my glasses. So, just share it for me. As I say, these two guys, they don't catch them with no gun. They were in my yard, they don't catch them with no gun. Alright? I'm just saying. Alright? Keanu, say what your name again? Say your name.
Keanu Morgan. Keanu Morgan.
Keanu. Okay. Alright, so me just want you to share the live and yeah. Because they don't catch him with no gun. So that's all I can say. They didn't catch him with no gun. So I don't know what they're trying to do. I don't know if them come with the bag and carry the bag over. I don't know. But I'm just saying, they didn't catch them with no gun. Then go over because me yard have one fence. Them use one shovel. Them dig out the fence and go over the one yard way. Over the yard. I want all house over there. People live over there but over the next side. But one all house over there. And them dig off the fence. Them dig off the fence and go over the yard and claim to say them find a bag. I ask them what's in the bag. Them say, them not show me the bag, and when them said to me say, if they when come catch the guy them with gun, they would shoot the guy them and shoot me too. I cook me in my house, I cook and me hear the knives. And when I run out, me see the two guys them and them I push them. They push them and sitting and they tell them, lay down, down. So, but the guys, them a lay down and they still a rough them up. I mean, I say, no can't they rough them up. So then go lay down and me tell the two guys, them so no just lay down. You understand? So, as me say, they no find them with no gun. They no find no gun in my yard. Alright? They no find no gun in my yard. And they no find them with no gun. Alright? As they're doing their job, I guess they're doing their job. But I don't know why they're bringing down these two guys. Because them no see them over the next yard. Because they have to broke down the fence to go over the next yard. The people them back way out of them yard. So I'm just saying. Alright? So if anything happened to these two guys, JDF, Jamaica Defense Force, yes. Share. Please share the live. Quick. Share it. As me say, me can't see them face. I three of them. 1, 2, 3. 3 of them. So I guess they are waiting for them peoples to come. So just share the live for me. Anyways, my phone battery kind of deadish, like-ish. So, share it. These two guys, they didn't find them with no gun. Them not find them with no gun. Them go over the nearby yard when nobody not live over there. Them find a bag. Them claim to say them find a bag over there. And them take up the bag. Me ask them what's in the bag. Them say, gun in the bag. Me tell them, show me one in the bag. The man say, if they will find it with the two guys, they're twins, they would shoot them and shoot me too. Right? Yes, so me just attack. So if anything happens to these two guys, just know the Jamaica Defense Force will be responsible because they didn't find these two guys with no gun. They did not find these two guys with no gun. So 3 of them, 1, 2, 3. See one out there, so one the right there, so with the bag where them claim to say them fine. And then there's another one right there. You can't see too much because the place dark. Alright, so uno just share up the live. Uno tag Jamaica Defense Force tonight too. But me glad say they don't do them nothing. Because the way them coming at the yard, like a kill them when you want to kill somebody. Me never go, they got turn up in front over the boy them. See them you know? If you turn up over them, in my frock. Cause cook me they cook. Me they fry a little chicken. And yeah. So anyways. Yeah, that's just it. That's just it. Just share the live. Share the live. Tag Jamaica Defense Force in it too, please. I thank you. Alright, we don't have to talk about that. That's the least. You don't have to talk about that. Y'all don't have to talk about that. Just, it's okay. It's okay. So, hello. It's okay. It's okay. They don't have nothing on y'all because they don't find you with anything. Not even a spliff butt. So, not even a pin. And I gave one of them ID because I had to go for them ID. So I give one of the soldiers so I get them have it. Alright, so uno does, I guess they're doing their jobs. Make them do what they want to do. And get him mother number. Get them mother number.
840-6316.
6316. Share the live, please. Share the live. I have like 5,000 friends on my Facebook. Share the live. Share it. Share it all over the world. Just in case anything happened to these two guys. Alright? Okay.
Tag it to Andrew too.
Yeah, tag the Prime Minister, Andrew Holness, please. Tag him. Tag Dr. Chang. And tag Mark Goldin. The opposition leader.
They may call me grandbaby, get all hysterical.
Me say, Blessing say, oh my God. When I'm keeping my party, I don't want no adults to come. I don't want no adult to my party. But you say, no cut it live, mama. Me not cut it, mama.
They run train like that. They run train like that. They just come out in accident.
That's okay. That's alright. As I said, they didn't find the guys with anything. Them said them find a bag over the next yard. So, yeah. So, just share the live. And I guess they're good. Uno good, man. Uno good because they don't find it with nothing. So, if anything happen to Uno, the Jamaica Defence Force will be held responsible. So, Sandra, tag Andrew Holness, tag Jamaica Defence Force, and yeah, tag them, tag up everybody when you can tag Dr. Chang, tag up everybody. Tag, please tag them, share the live and tag them. Share the live and tag them. Share the live and tag them. That's alright. If anything fix back. About 5 somebody dead over that day yard. when me said dead, I know gunshot or nothing kill them. I sick and dead. I don't know sick and dead. So I just tag and everything. I know alright. Bear, Baby girl, who feel all this? Come hold this for me. You call him? On my phone have the credit.
I don't have no credit.
Like this one. See bag over there, so I don't know what's in the bag. I don't know what's in the bag because they didn't show me what's in the bag. So, as me said, them didn't find it over me. I didn't find it on the 2 guys. So I don't know what's happening. Alright? They don't find it on none of the guys them or nothing. So, yeah. You know, just share the live. You know, share it 100 times. Yes, you know, tag JDF. Share it 1,000,000 times. Share it. Share the live. Share the live. Share the live. Yeah, me know them know. Yeah, they have to do their job. Hey, Baby girl, roll back this again. I go for yard. I go see if I can sit in the meeting. You have a number?
Yes, see number here.
Oh, this.
You say not be call him till tomorrow time.
Yes, make all of them watch. Make all of them watch. That's that's alright, you know. But anyways, people, them say me something full. Them say me somebody attack to me? Oh. Oh no, yeah, them say my memory full. At least explain what happened. I have been explaining. These 2 guys, they're twins. They went in my yard. Some soldier come in my yard, so them fi get down on the ground and all sort of things. Anyways, then go down on the ground. And when they go down on the ground, the soldier them a search them, ask them where they name, where they come from, yada yada yada. I go get them ID because them live around the road. Them just come back because they weren't living here. So they must stay around the road. The soldier them, 3 of them. Well, I can see 3 of them now. I don't know much of them in the yard. 3 of them, okay. There's a fence between my yard, my neighbor's yard. Them broke down the fence. Them use a shovel because it's like zinc and board. Them broke down the fence, go over the yard, come back with a bag. That bag right there, I don't know what's in the bag because my accident soldier say why in the bag. Them say gun in the bag. So I ask them to make me see in the bag. Them don't show me in the bag. One of them said to me, say, as them mask up, me can't see them face nothing. Anyways, them say, any of them when catch the two guys with the gun, them would shoot them and shoot me too. Right? Yes. So as me say them mask up them face and me can't see no badge number, no nothing. But wanna please tag the JDF. Tag the JDF. See what the next something I come here. Watch out, you just a come? No. What happened here overall? I don't know. I don't know what happened. So see them, some police come now. I am glad I was home. I'm glad I was home. Them a police and when them a come, they don't come with badge number upon them, brother, because they don't want nobody see. Them don't want nobody see. Them not come with no badge number, no nothing. Because then come to kill, I guess. Some accident happened down a board. Shoot? Alive. All right. Done. Look what America go do. They say I kill people in America. Them me not see no badge number. Anyways, see one sitting on the bike. So once you see that, them know which police come up, so they must know the soldier. They may come with the police. Them see them there. This hour HQR58B. It's a H056B, and this is HQR67B. So I guess me can't know. Me don't know the police and badge number or anything. So once them see this, them know who they went there with. You understand? They know who they went there with. Nobody, the man probably using flashlight or something. You come look and say whoever? No, you know that. You come look and say whoever see the police, they went probably there at the party down and so see the soldier them and run through the friggin' yard. So almost something like that. They run through the yard and the yard open because no one sit down right on the car right there. So I guess whoever, I don't know, come in my house, they cook. But when me come out, me see the soldier, I have them two guys here, they are twins, on the ground. On the ground, and them take up a bag. See the bag there. Turn on the light.
Hey,
that's
step back.
Sorry there. See bag, them put the bag beside of them in there. So as we say, people no share the live, they don't hold them with no bag, they don't hold them with no gun, they don't hold them with nothing. No, me don't know if they can't put no bag on them.
That's what they're giving them bag. They didn't have any bag.
They never have no bag. Them never have no bag. So me glad. Me have over 5,000 people on my Facebook who share the live. Share the live. They never have no bag. They never have no bag. They never have no bag. They don't do nothing. They don't do nothing. Then see people run through the yard. Them have it. Them have your ID. Yeah, the soldier them. When get the soldier them have it. The soldier them have it. They don't want them with nothing. They don't want them with nothing. See them there? See them there? See them there? See them there? As me say, they don't want them with nothing. People, they don't want them with nothing whatsoever. Nothing. They don't want them with nothing. See them take the bag and put it in the back of the vehicle. Them take out the bag and put it in the back of the vehicle. Them take out the bag and put it in the back of the vehicle with the two guys them in there. And the guy them never go over the yard there. The yard where them find whatever bag they say find. Me ask them say, make me sit in the bag. Then don't make me sit in the bag. Them don't make me sit in the bag. So, anyways, as me say, people know to share the live, tag Andrew Honest, tag everybody in it. Tag everybody. Tag everybody. So, you have a good night.
Viewers and subscribers, have you ever heard of a saying where them say you're at the wrong place at the wrong time? Well, this seems to be the case, or this might be the case. You see me I say? If those two persons are really innocent, I hope that it will be proven that they are innocent. You see me? I hope so, you understand? And you see, whenever law enforcers within a country is arresting a person or persons, and if you see residents within that community is defending the person or persons, then in my point of view, it would seem as if the person or persons are really liked by the residents within that community. Yes, so I said to you. Anyways, I just presented to you a video that shows two persons who had been arrested by the police within the country of Jamaica. And according to some things that have been said in this video, and according to some things that I saw in the video as well, I get the understanding that those two persons are said to be twins and that they had been apprehended by members of the Jamaica Defense Force. So I said, viewers and subscribers, I bring this video to you so that you can take a look at it and you can also tell me what you think about some of the things that have been shown and said in this video as well. Alright? And alright, so here me I go leave it. So until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. I'm in name Dancehall Skilla. You know, big up on yourself. You see it. Hey my youth, you know where you watch?
Dancehall Skilla.
Hear me now? Hey yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.